Hey there friends, welcome to an Amazon product review and unboxing. Today we're checking out the 3 meter Huaham fiber optic HDMI cables. So these are the newest version, which is 2.1. We had 1.4 when HDMI first kind of came out, which would support your high definition TVs. And then we got the 2.1, which is pretty much 4K. Most stuff is supported, I'm sorry, the 2.0. Most stuff is supported on that right now. But as your 8K TVs and stuff are coming out, this is mainly for gamers and things like that. A 2.1 cable is going to be able to run 8K at 60 hertz and 4K at 120 hertz. So 120 hertz is the refresh rate every second is 120 times. At 60, it's 60 times per second, but it's 8K, which is basically 4 times as many pixels as 4K. So those people that are interested in gaming and want a really nice, clear, crisp picture are going to run with the HDMI 2.0. And I believe all these are backwards compatible. So if you don't have, if you're still running a 4K lower hertz monitor there, these are going to work nice for you. So these are from the Huaham store there on Amazon. This is a 3 meter cable, I'm sorry. And this one runs about $20 on Amazon. What's nice about these, it has a little part for your display, and it's marked for basically input output, so display and then the source or whatever with the black one there. So these come with 3 nice little cable ties on here. Nice little Velcro cable ties. These are super handy, and I like the fact that it's nice and pliable. Also, longer cords. It's better. I think it's better to have too long a cord than too short. Sometimes you run into a project. Maybe you're trying to run a new DVD player, or not. A lot of people don't have DVDs anymore, but your Xbox 580 or whatever the next Xbox is going to be. And if your new entertainment system doesn't have enough room there to reach your TV, it's nice to have a little bit more room here. And you can see with this one, it's easy to tidy up and keep out of the way with these little ties on there. So I pulled an old HDMI cable I had, and you can just see the difference. This one is not very flexible. It's just kind of, this one is, I believe, 6 feet. This is the old 1.4, and you can just see it's half the length, and it's way bulkier. So out with the old, in with the new. You guys can see that this is a lot easier, would be much easier to organize, much easier to fit through tighter places, just a single little cord there. And this is going to be running, this will be able to run all your best stuff out there right now: PS5, Xbox Series X, the Rokus. I don't know if Roku's Fire Sticks, have those come out with 8K yet? I don't think so, but when they do, this is the next standard there. So if you guys want to check it out, I'm going to link this in the description below. They seem to have some good quality stuff there. So thanks for watching this review. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.